What's up guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video I want to help you guys create a Facebook account. So let's begin. The first thing that you guys need to do is go on Google and search for Facebook. So let's do that right now. Good, now click on the first thing that pops up. Okay, now you have the option to log in or create new account. We're gonna click on create new account. Click on that. Okay, now you guys have to fill in your first name, then a last name. Good. Now you can sign up with your mobile number or email. I'm gonna show you how to do it with your email. Good. Now re-enter the email. Just copy paste it. It's easier. Good. Now you guys have to create a password. Okay. Now select your birthday. Okay. Now select your gender. After you've done all of that, click on sign up. So what they're gonna do, they're gonna send you a code on your email. You can read here. All you guys have to do now is go on your email, fill in the code here, then click continue. And you should be good to go. Your account will be automatically created and you should be able to, I don't know, talk with your friends now. Hope I was helpful. If I was, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.